Hey everyone, in this video I am going to explain Notifyy CRM campaign end-to-end. Before creating a campaign, complete two steps. Create WhatsApp templates and define your audience using segments. Go to the engagement section and click on WhatsApp templates. Here you can view all your WhatsApp templates. You can search, filter, and manage templates from this page. Click on Create Template to start building a new template. Enter a template name. Then select the category and choose the language. You can add a header to your template. Choose from text, image, video, document, or location. If you select a text header, you can also add variables to personalize it. In the template body section, start by typing your main message that will be sent to customers. To make your message more personalized and dynamic, you can add variables. Click on Add Variables and insert options like first name, check-in details, or other available fields. These variables will automatically be replaced with each customer's actual data when the message is delivered, making your communication more relevant and engaging. To make your message more interactive, you can add buttons. Click on the Add Buttons option and choose from different types such as Quick Reply for instant responses, Website to redirect users to a link, Call phone number to enable direct calling, or Copy Offer code for easy access to promotional codes. These buttons help improve user engagement and make it easier for customers to take action directly from the message. Click the preview to see how your message will look. Click Create to continue. Template created successfully. Click Submit to send the template for approval. The approval process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Click Sync Status to check the latest template status. Templates go through stages like submitted, in review, pending, approved, or rejected. Once approved, templates can be used in campaigns. To create and manage audience groups, hover on the CRM menu and click on Segments. Click on Create Segment to build a new audience group. First, select the CRM object for which you want to create the segment. For example, you can choose contacts, companies, deals, tickets, or appointments. Now add filters to define which records should be included in the segment. Filters help you target the right contacts based on selected conditions. You can combine multiple filters using AND or OR logic to create more accurate audience segments. You can also add multiple filter groups to apply different conditions together. Up to 10 filter groups can be created while building a segment. Before saving, you can preview the segment to check how many records match the selected filters. After reviewing the preview, enter a segment name and choose the segment type. To create a campaign, go to Campaign Management and click on Create Campaign. Campaign setup is divided into 4 steps. Campaign, select audience, schedule and review and save. Start by entering a unique campaign name. Select WhatsApp category and choose sender identity. You can also see the messaging limit. Select a pre-approved template and verify the message preview. Optionally add a description for internal reference. Click Continue to proceed. Select your target audience by choosing segments, individual contacts, or both. At least one option is required to proceed. Exclude specific segments or contacts if needed. If any excluded segments or contacts are part of the selected audience, they will be removed from the campaign. Click Continue to move to the next step. Choose whether to send immediately or schedule for later. Enable retry and select 1 to 3 attempts. Failed contacts will be retried accordingly, for example, a setting of 1 retries once after 24 hours. Proceed to review. Review all campaigns' details carefully. Enable the campaign to launch it based on schedule. Campaign created successfully. View campaigns in the campaign list. Ready equals queued. Scheduled equals sends at set time. Completed equals successful. Retrying equals retries failed contacts after 24 hours. View insights, metrics, recipient status, execution details. With Notifyy CRM, you can easily create, target, and track your campaigns effectively.